Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and rename your floor lamp so that it matches which room it's in. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home app. Next, click on your Govee Floor Lamp Lyra. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on the gear icon. Then where it says device name, click on that. And then this is where you can start typing the new name for your device. When you're done, click on done. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename your Govee Lyra floor lamp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.